Did you know you could easily wash your slippers with a washing machine? All you need is wash bags. This is my very old slippers. I put one slipper into one wash bag and then throw them to the washing machine. Put some washing liquid. Don't put too much. And then select quick wash. Make sure the speed is set to the lowest and the intense option is off. Then push the start button. In this way, you could wash your slippers using the washing machine. I had to run the quick wash one more time because I put too much washing liquid and some foams were still left. Now washing is finished. And it looks much more cleaner. Don't use the dryer. Instead, place it on a radiator, or if your country has got sunshine, put it under the sun. After a while, it's dried and it looks much cleaner. Bear in mind, your slipper can still deteriorate a bit more because of using washing machine. I used these delicate wash bags from Amazon. You could find the Amazon link in the description.